Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to find the margin of error. A study was commissioned to find the mean weight of the residents in certain towns. The study found a confidence interval for the mean weight to be between 154 pounds and 172 pounds. What is the margin of error on the survey? Do not write the plus or minus symbol on the margin of error. Now, there are two methods that you can use to calculate the margin of error. You could find the actual mean weight by adding 154 and 172 and dividing by 2, and then subtracting the mean from the highest weight. But the way I like to do it is I would subtract the two numbers and then divide by 2 to figure out my margin of error. So what I'm going to do is I know that I'm given the mean weight between 172 pounds and 154 pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 172 and subtract it by 154. So that way I can find the difference. So if I plug it into my calculator, I'm doing 172 minus 154, and that gets me to 18. But we still need to find our margin of error. So I can divide this by 2 so I can get the actual margin of error. And 18 divided by 2 gets me to 9. So my margin of error would be 9. If you were to do it the second way, you would do 154 plus 172 and divide it by 2 to calculate the mean. So if I do this, I do 154 plus 172, that gets me to 326. And if I divide it by 2, I get a mean of, if I plugged it in my calculator, 326 divided by 2 gets me a mean of 163. Then I would take the mean and subtract it from my highest value of the interval, which is 172. If I subtract, I'm doing 172 minus 163, and that would get me to, if I plug into my calculator, the same margin of error, which is 9. So that would be the second method. I'm just going to label this method the first method, and then the second method. So our final answer is that the margin of error is 9. So it's just going to submit, and there you go. Our answer is correct. All right. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you back here in the next video.